Model, 70-plate Peugeot Expert Dispatch Professional Crewcab 73k miles engine repair 1.5 Blue Hdi Euro 6 Vat Inc. Body, white, Crewcab. Mileage, 73,778. Engine, 1,499 cc DV5 RC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine needs repairing or replacing. Genuine low mileage Crewcab grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric